Here we are at Beer Can Island. We had another boat day, and it's Bowie's first boat day. Here she is right there.
Bowie, come here.
Bowie, come here. Come here, girl. Oh, you just dumped a bunch of sand on stuff on me.
Bowie. Come here.
Oh, good girl. Oh, goodness. Come here. You want a treat? You want a treat? Come here, Mija. It's a good girl. It's her first day. She says, "Where's my treat? Thank you. Mommy will give you a treat when we get back to our stuff." She's been doing really good. And we got here on the boat and she was having a lot of fun watching the dolphins. We saw a lot of dolphins. We've seen stingrays this huge. It's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, so far so fun. Come here, Bob. Come here. Come here. Come here. Aw, she's tired. She's been playing since she got here. There's a duck up here or something. She might go after him.
Well, she's got to investigate things. See, her little brain cells are storing all this information right now.
Yeah.
Isn't that intriguing? Look.
She's
learning how to dig in the sand. Oh, if she was a digging dog.
Oh yeah, she would be going crazy. I want her to go buy that crab again.
Is she cute? Oh, she's...
Go get it, Bowie. Go get it.
How nice to have a dog like that instead of one of these big attacking horrible.
I know.
Here's another one.
Go get it. What happened?
Now this one ain't gonna fool around. Here, put this one down. I want to get in the picture.